Guys, we're downtown in Indianapolis, and this is the fire alarm system in Indy, the Woodhouse spa. Wait, we missed something over there. There's a notifier. That is a Notifier BG 12. Cool waterfall. There's a ADT home alarm system, and there's like I think it's supposed to be like a Wheelock exceeder over there. I'm not even sure if you're gonna see it because my screen is a little bit, my camera is a little bit crappy because it's kind of blurry. But hey, it's okay. There's a spectralert. There's a spectralert plastic. No fire alarm. There's a L series. When I saw it from the distance, I thought distance. I cannot talk today. I thought it was a spectralert plastic, but it's an L series. And there's another. I think that's a Silent Night BG12. And somehow there is no smoke detector. Yeah.